What I'm going to show you is how to remove the old coil from the spray bar to connect the new coil. First, I remove the bathtub and the coil from the spray bar. I pull the wires through, and what I do is I can actually disconnect the connectors, and I can cut the old connectors off. What I do then is I inspect those wires to ensure there's no corrosion or water damage or wicking in the harness. I then trim off. I take off a 1/4 inch of the wire. Pull those through. Take the grommet off. And now the wires are ready to be put together with the new connector. The crimping device has an adjustment for the gauge of the wire. This happens to be 22 gauge wire. You might have 22 gauge wire, or you might have 18 gauge wire. The way that you change it is you pull this pin, pull up, and then you can turn it to the proper gauge. Once that's been set, this has already been set for the depth of the pin. Turn to this side. Put the pin in, you'll see it's flush. I stick the wire in, and I ratchet it down. And there's a connection. I do that to both sides. Again, the pin's flush. And both pins are terminated correctly. The pins now are ready to be inserted into the connector. Like this. And as you insert them, you will hear a click. And then you can feel it that it's home, in the home position. Take the other cable. Again, the clicks, it's locked in. Then the green tab is put into the connector. Took me 3 tries to find the proper orientation, but it's now correct. That is now a finished connector. It can be then plugged onto the coil. You'll hear a snap again. And the coil can be inserted onto the spray bar. And the proper locking nuts can be put on the bar. Thank you.